Hey everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to easily make a delicious orange creamsicle milkshake, also known as orange cream. So stay tuned, this one is deliciously good. Alright, for this you just need one orange. I'm gonna slice this in half and peel off the skin. Okay, and you can break it up a bit more and put in a cup. This will go into the blender. And I'm going to use 1 cup of vanilla almond milk. And you can use between 3 to 5 large scoops of vanilla ice cream. I'm using 3 large scoops here. Add 1 frozen banana that are chopped. Add about a tablespoon of honey to sweeten it up. And last, a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that vanilla taste. Okay, and we'll blend for about 50 seconds from a medium to high speed. And there's our milkshake blended all together. And there you go, the Orange Creamsicle Milkshake. If you love orange cream or orange and vanilla, you'll love this soothing fruit creamsicle blend. It's deliciously good. A definite 10 out of a 10 for me. Hope you try it out. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy!